Hello traders, in the previous live trading session videos, we looked at the smart money indicator elite version and we looked at the tree stats and its origins and overview. And in today's live trading session video, we're going to be looking at some practical examples on how this can be applied onto different instruments, different time frames, and actually also how we actually achieved this 73.34% with all this strong robust principles in constructing these sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies over the year in our live trading room. This and more in this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Rapan here from the Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here you are traders, based on the principles that we have gone through in our previous videos on the smart money indicator and the tree stats for building a sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategy and achieving consistent performance. Not only do we just talk the theory, but we are applying it in our own strategies over here, as you can see on these three strategies on the left-hand side over the year. And you can see that we've achieved 73.34% over the three strategies. And this is just not just us just punching some numbers, it's all recorded in real time. Each tab over here refers to one strategy, as you can see. And we're recording every single trade by trade over here, as you can see, okay, for the past year gone. And you can see over here that each trade is then measured as in how much profit, how much loss it took, all in real time and with full transparency, which is what we are known for. You can see all the losses, all the wins per each strategy that we are taking based on this open equity principle and the three stats that I spoke about. Okay, and over here the TSL primary, which is a longer distance runner, which you can also see over here as well. Okay, all the losses that is taking, all the winners, the big wins that comes in between as well. Okay, all this is publicly shared, and then you can see this is how we get our overall performance, and with each strategy also being measured in terms of its stats as well, its reliability and its average profit to average loss. Every single thing is being measured transparently.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
How do we get there? Let me show you actually some practical examples here, now that you've seen the capacity of what you can achieve. Now, first of all, you see traders that this smart money indicator elite version can be applied to different time frames and instruments. Now, here I'm taking a look at GBP/USD on a daily time frame. I've got the open equity stats over here, as I've talked about in the previous videos as well, which you guys can revisit. Now I can also put this into other time frames as well. I can take a look at the 4 hours. I can apply this to the 4 hours, and then it generates all that numbers over here. So you see it's measuring over 586 dots, 586 runners, and then it's telling you how many of them get to 25 pips. Of course, the lower time frame you get to, your 80% number, the distance that 80% of runners will get to will become lesser. Okay, over here only 70% gets to 25 pips. How do I find out the 80% number? It's very simple. It's just in a matter of clicks. What we can do is we can actually, let me just show you this. I can start this from a much more lower number as in from 50. Or I can just start it from just 10 and then increase it by 10 as well. And then I can find out, then populate it very shortly. And there you go. So I can find out that actually 10 pips, 86% of them get there within 10 pips. Okay, and then 75% of them get there within 20 pips. You can also decrease it as well. You can increase it by 5 too if you want to know the in-between numbers. So let's do that between 86% and all of that. So you see, there you go. So 80% of them get the 80% distance, the distance that 80% of runners get to is 15 pips on a 4-hour time frame. Then I can do the same thing again, traders. I can do this over 1 hour as well, and I can do this over 15 minutes too. So name it, you can just find out anything that you want. It's just cross-transferable across any time frame. Okay, right. So that's one. What else is the other? I can also do this across any instrument as well. This is the power of this as well. So let me just see this. So let me just increase this to, let's say 25, just to keep it as a standard. So let me actually do that for you. So let's see another instrument what we can look at. So now we can look at the silver XAG USD. You can apply this on here as well. And then it will populate that for you too over here. Okay, so you can see that, right? So over here 25 basically means 25 cents. You can measure that by actually comparing between the close and the top, which I mentioned in the first video on the, actually the second video I think is a stats 1 video. Okay, open equity, you can take a look at that as well. So you can do that as well. Any instruments, you can also put it on Dow Jones too as well. So if I were to put US 30, I can populate that too. It will populate that for me as well over here, you can see. What else, traders? So what else, other instruments, maybe let's say Brent oil as well. You can do Brent oil, anything, any of these instruments that is offered on TradingView, we can name it. All right, so we can do it all on there. You can see that it can be cross-applied to basically anything, traders, anything.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So, I mean, to conclude off, I've shown you different time frames, different instruments, and also one matter of inspiration. What I'm going to tell you is, this whole indicator, it was first available on MT4, as you can see over here on this window. It was just like this, okay? All these tops and bottoms all quantified. But then we migrated this. We had this one on MT4 for quite a few years, for 5 to 7 years. Then we migrated this to the TradingView platform just about 6 months ago. And one inspiring thing I do want to tell you guys is that who actually did this migration? It was actually one of our clients. He actually joined us. He actually even presented this in the last Trader Show as well in London. And he actually joined us on the Traders Basecamp package first. And then he moved on to becoming a senior member with us with Ultimate Advance. And then finally to Elite, the Vedanta Elite package, which is our highest end package, which is a highest end program. And it's mainly for research purposes who join us on that research team members who join us on Vedanta Elite. And it was just within 1.5 years, he learned all these principles. We were really inspired by it. He told us that nobody teaches open equity online. Nobody quantifies these bottoms and tops. Nobody talks in terms of probabilities. Nobody talks in terms of precision. So what he said then, I want to really program this and get it on the TradingView so that it can be helpful for our community as well as for other traders out there too, including himself. So then he came onto it, and this traders, this client, it's not as if he's got lots of time. He's very busy himself. Not only is he got a full-time job where he works on it for 3 to 4 days full-time, he also has got a family of 2 as well. He's also a property investor. And guess what? Not only that, when he programmed this on the TradingView, he didn't have any trading experience at all. Zero trading experience of programming or coding. He had trading experience from his own self-learning programs that he did, or if some other trading courses he did. But in terms of coding, he had zero years of trading coding experience on TradingView. So what did he do? He went to self-learn himself. He went to buy some trading courses, and he went to self-learn and self-teach himself on this coding, on TradingView, and then there we have it, traders, which will help all of us over here. The Smart Man indicator, which tells you within a click of a second the open equity data, the MAE data, and the time towards your target. The 3 stats that will help you build sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies, which will help you achieve consistent performance. And this is how traders, we have also built these strategies over here that you can see that we can publish in real time with confidence and help our traders as well take these trades in real time from an educational perspective in our live trading room. And that is how we get all these trades all being populated with our live trading research team, which is also from our clients who have become that. So it's really inspirational that the product really works and is helping improve our own clients and helping them get inspired to spread the truth even further as well, as you can see all over here. All published in real time with this open equity data principles, which we achieved 73.34% over the year, with 1% being £1,000. That would be 73,340 pounds. All of these strategies being 15 minutes end of day trading, all passive cash flow. Okay, it's only passive cash flow because of all the hard work that we've put in into creating all this open equity data and the stats, and from which we build this sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategies that can help you achieve consistent performance with confidence and conviction. Okay, traders. All right, that's pretty much that from me on this video. Reflect on all of this, go through the past videos and take notes, reflect on them, build and integrate this knowledge into building your own robust strategies. All right, traders, that's all from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.